These are tough times for Ruffy Biazon. The Muntinlupa congressman found his way out of the Luzon lockdown to visit his parents. He brought them supplies halfway through the quarantine period. Former Senator Biazon and his wife are both in their 80s. A netizen took note of the bread. The lawmaker got emotional seeing his parents. Comelec Commissioner Rowena Guanzon can easily relate to Biazon's story. Netizens were also moved.
Thank you for watching Politiko TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.